Hello. Green color, purple color, red color, blue color, brown color, yellow color। तो बच्चों आज की वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं लेटर ए से लेकर जेड तक अल्फाबेट। ये जानेंगे कलर के नेम। येलो कलर, ब्राउन कलर, blue color, red color, purple color, green color, sketch color name, brown color, blue color, ये है orange color, brown color, pink color, green color, pink color, sky blue color, purple color, black color, pink color, parrot green color, yellow color, red color। तो चलिए बच्चों लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं। रेड कलर, red color, A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane, parrot green color, B for banana, B for banana, pink color, C for car, C for car, orange color, D for dog, D for dog, blue color, E for eagle, E for eagle, red color, F for fish, F for fish, parrot green color, G for goat, G for goat, pink color, H for horse, H for horse, orange color, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, blue color, J for joker, J for joker, red color, K for king, K for king, parrot green color, L for lion, L for lion, pink color, M for monkey, M for monkey, orange color, N for nest, N for nest, blue color, O for orange, O for orange, parrot green color, P for peacock, P for peacock, red color, Q for queen, queen means के रानी, pink color, R for rainbow, R for rainbow, orange color, S for sun, blue color, T for train, parrot green color, U for unicorn, red color, V for van, for watch. Orange color.